Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equals to u square because I want to cancel about the square root. That's why I need to use about u square in here. Later that we do first the derivative for the both side and we have 2u du. So this one I will put in here and here. The x we change by this one. This one we change by u. U and u square we have u to the power of 3 and I will put number 2 in here. Next we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about t equals to 2u to the power of 3. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u to the power of 3 we have 3u square du. So number 2 and number 3 we have number 6. Next dv we have sine u du. The integration of sine u we have negative cosine u. So we have t multiplied by v. So we have negative number 2u to the power of 3 cosine u minus we have the t multiplied by v. So we have negative and negative. So we have positive. And now we have the integration. This one with this one. Next, we continue using integration by parts, but this one should be about 6u square. First derivative of u square, we have number 2u. So this one should be about 12u. This one we change by cosine u. The integration of cosine u, we have sine u. So we have t multiplied by v minus we have the t multiplied by v. So we have the integration 12u sine u du. Next, we can use integration by parts again. That is about 12u. So this one we have number 12. This one we change by sine u. This one we have negative cosine u. So for this one we have t multiplied by v. So we have negative 12u cosine u minus we have the t multiplied by v. So negative and negative we have positive. And later that we have the integration 12 cosine u du. The integration of cosine u, we have sine u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. So we put the square root for the both sides and we have u equals to the square root of s. So I will put this one to change for you. This one we have s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.